In this video, let's explore how to use the image grid widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it to your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget options and search for image grid. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side, you can choose number of columns for the image grid. Let's choose 4 columns. The next one is image grid style. Here you can choose it from style 1, style 2 and style 3. Let's choose style 3. The next part is image. Here you can choose image from media library or you can upload from your computer. Select your preferred images and click on create a new gallery here, and here you can add caption for all these images and click on insert gallery. And the next option is image resolution. Here you can choose preferred resolution and here you can enable or disable image lightbox. The next part is slide. Here you can enable or disable it. Next one is slide items. Here you can enter the number of items you want to show on the desktop. Let's give 4. And the next one is items on the tab. Here you can enter the number of items you want to show on the tab. Let's change into 3. The next one is items on the mobile. Here you can enter the number of items you want to show on the mobile. Next option is autoplay. You can enable or disable it here. And the next one is loop. Enable or disable it here. And you can enable the item center here. Also you can enable or disable navigation and pagination here. The next option is items margin. Here you can enter your preferred value with pixel for items between space. The next one is items duration. Here you can change the slide duration. And the next one is smart speed. Here you can change the smart speed value. And the next one is items slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once when you scroll. Let's move on to style area, and here you can change the background color for the image grid. And here you can change the outer space value for the image grid. Let's give 10 pixels. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter the inner space value for this image grid. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next part is image. Here you can enter outer spacing value. Let's give 10 pixels. The next option is margin. Here you can enter your preferred margin value. And here you can choose the border type. Let's choose double. And here you can enter the border width value. Let's give 1 pixels. And here you can change the border color. And the next one, radius. Enter your preferred value for the radius. And the next part is caption. Here you can enable or disable it. And here you can change the captions alignment. And the next one is color. Choose your preferred color for the caption. And here you can enter your preferred value for the captions margin. Let's give 20 pixels. And here you can enter the inner space value for caption. The next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style for the caption. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.